going to my son's bathroom. See if I can use this universal Conair to his Conair hair dryer. It doesn't fit. This is crazy. Bad.
And right on the website for Amazon, it had the exact photo of the blow dryer that I had. It was the pink Conair with the push button to extract the cord, and it did not fit whatsoever. So I went to return it, but they didn't even want me to send it back. But they gave me a full refund, so that was nice. But this will not fit the pink Conair push button cord at all, just so you know.
And action.
So I got the Conair diffuser attachment from my existing hairdryer. And it looks kind of big, but okay, goes on. Oh! What? Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Right. And on. Okay. Alright, so I have this Conair hairdryer, which other people have shown in videos or pictures. And then this is the attachment. What the heck is going on? You push this all the way in. I can feel it latch. Right, then you turn it on. You don't even have to turn it on. It just bounces right off. It's very frustrating. So, no, this does not work for this hairdryer.
This does not fit in what you sent me, even though the ad claims 1875 would work. It sets in there, but then try to push it on, push it in, push it in, push it in. Look, no, it won't stay. It won't even for a second. Even if I shove it, it won't stay.
It doesn't stay on. Got the Conair Infinity Pro 3Q. Stick it in the tube. Pops right back off. Doesn't stay on.
over.